Innovation is commonly defined as the carrying out of new combinations. That includes the introduction of new products, new methods of production, the opening of new markets, new sources of supply, and founding a new organization. Innovation is often viewed as taking place through the provision of more effective products, as in making better things. Innovation can also be from a process, service, technology, even artwork perspective, as well as business models that innovators make available to markets, governments, and society. Important to note though, innovation is related to, but not the same as, invention. Sustaining innovation is the improvement of a product based on the known needs of current customers. For example, the need for faster microprocessors for more powerful mobile phones, whereas disruptive innovation refers to a process by which a new product creates a new market. For example, ride-sharing companies such as Uber disrupting the taxi industry. Disruptive innovation eventually displaces established competitors, in this case the taxi industry, and can be seen as critical to long-term success of any business.
There can be a lot of confusion between innovation and invention. An invention is a new configuration, composition of matter, device, or process. Some inventions are based on pre-existing models or ideas, and others are radical breakthroughs. Innovations are inventions that become common in usage and may be a major breakthrough or have a minor impact. Both innovation and invention involve the development of something new, but the term innovation tends to cover a broader scope than invention, whereas invention tends to be thought of as the design and creation of new products. The key distinction between the two is that, while an inventor creates a product or introduces a process for the first time, innovation is improving or making significant contribution. For example, Thomas Edison was an inventor. Steve Jobs was an innovator, although he is often mistaken for an inventor. Jobs once said innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. To survive in this level of competition, where everyone wants to exceed each other, you have to often think innovatively.
In reality, when most of us think of the word innovation, invention comes to mind, and in particular, we look at radical innovation, which creates something brand new, something so different, something so radical that we go, yeah, that's the gold standard. That's what it's meant to be. However, in reality, radical innovation is the rarest and purest form of innovation, meaning that we're not likely to see too many radical, wholesale, brand new products coming into the market, at least not every year. Perhaps throughout our lifetime, we'll see great change. The notion that innovation is essentially about the commercialization of ideas, meaning think of an idea, make it happen. And invention suggests that it's relatively straightforward and simple. Let's be honest, that's just not realistic. It's far, far, far from the truth. There's a lot of steps involved here, meaning the entire process takes time, it takes effort, it takes energy, an enormous amount of energy. In addition, the term innovation is widely used, and probably because it has very positive association, and is often applied to things that really have little to do with innovation itself. By knowing the full categories of innovation, as a business we can now consider to ourselves, what is it that we really want to do? Do we want to spend the time, the money, the effort to really push for the radical innovations that might happen maybe once in a lifetime? Or should we go for modular innovation, or architectural innovation, or even incremental innovation, which is quite essentially just continuous improvement? In reality, we're going to be using a little bit of everything